will show you how to make a traffic control system for smart city using Arduino. For this project, we will need an Arduino Uno, two servo motors, two traffic signal modules, a breadboard, some jumper cables, some screws and brackets, a piece of cardboard, some green paper, some black paper, white tape, and a foam sheet. First, take a piece of cardboard. Then, attach black paper to it using Fevicol as shown. I have drilled 4 holes in the middle of the cardboard piece. I have also made the footpaths and the dividers using foam pieces. The boundaries of the road are also made with foam, and I have left space in between for the servo motors. I have made the zebra crossings using white tape. Now attach blades made of foam to your servo motors. Then attach the servo motors to the cardboard base using a hot glue gun as shown. Attach the brackets to the cardboard base using screws. Now attach the traffic control signal modules to the brackets using screws. Now let's do the wiring. We only need the positive and negative terminals of the breadboard in this project. First, attach male-to-male jumper cables to the female headers of the servo motors. Now connect the GND pins of both the servo motors to the negative terminal on the breadboard. Now connect the positive pins of both the servo motors to the positive terminal of the breadboard. Now connect the signal pins of the servo motors to digital pins 10 and 11. Connect the GND pins of the traffic signal control modules to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Now attach the red, yellow and green LEDs of a traffic control module to pin 2, 3, 4 respectively. Attach the red, yellow and green LEDs of the second traffic signal module to pin number 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Finally, connect the negative terminal of the breadboard to GND pin on Arduino and the positive terminal of the breadboard to the 5V pin on Arduino. First, we include the servo library. Next, we declare the pins to which the LEDs of the traffic signal modules are connected. Then, we create servo objects to control the servo motors. In the void setup, we declare the pins of the traffic signal modules as output devices. Then, we declare the pins to which the servo motors are connected. In the void loop, first, one traffic signal module has its red light on while the other has its green light on. Therefore, one servo motor is up while the other is down. Some delay is inserted. Next, both of the traffic signal modules have their yellow lights on. Therefore, both the servo motors are down. Again, some delay is inserted. Next, the second traffic signal module has its red light on while the first one has its green light on. Therefore, one servo motor is up while the other is down. Again, some delay is inserted. Now, both of the yellow lights are on and both of the servo motors are down, and some delay is inserted. Now let's upload the code. This light is red. This barrier is down to prevent vehicles from this side from breaking the traffic rules. When the lights are yellow, both the barriers are down. When this light becomes red, this barrier is down to prevent vehicles from this side from breaking the traffic rules. Again, when both the lights are yellow, both the barriers are down.